Welcome to the Arborist. My name is Peter. Today's video is going to show a massive water oak that failed and what it took to clean it up. So while you're watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, hit the post notification bell, and share the video to your social media feed. I really appreciate the support. I hope you enjoy the video, and as always, thank you for watching. Thank you again for watching. Here are 2 additional videos that YouTube thinks you should watch. I'll see you in the next video.